Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Hello, Philippines, and hello, world.
Welcome to Mary's Vlog.
Gracias. Grabe,
Gracias, vlog.
ang hangin. Sunstorm pa. We're going to the Shuwa'a small hospital in Saudi. Hi Cecil, how are you?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah.
You're good?
No.
That you're going to hospital?
But my heart is still pounding right now. Di kami okay guys. Punta kami ng hospital. Papa-check up.
Hanggang dito na lang.
Anong sakit na?
Mamaya naman. Okay?
Ilang oras ang fasting mo? Bukas na ito na.
Nung kagabi, ang last kong kumain 9.
9 na. 12 hours.
Ang dami.
Sige.
Now we're going home. Kalas Laboratory. Train. This is a terminal train. We're going home. Just walking. What? Tinapay? May tinapay ko to. Mga cake, coffee shop, seafood. Yan. Then laundry. So hot. Doon kami pumunta guys. Oh. Ay, asan? Yan.
Sa earth. To the moon.
Doon pa yung bahay namin sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Mamaya mag-send ako ng ihi at saka tae. Tae. Laundry shop. Shake. Bakala. Bakala. Dahil nagutom siya,
Magaling ba ka, Dr. Sweet? Bawang sweet?
sweet in oil. Bili siya sa bakala. Changi kumbaga. Changi. Sige na. Faster na kita kaya I have a lot of work pa. Alright. Mauli ako sa amon nga balay. Walking distance lang yung
Mayora.
walking distance lang po yung hospital dito. At malapit lang mga bangko, fast food, coffee shop, alsadhan. Ano?
Talaka.
Bakit katalaka?
Talaka maglakad. Mainit.
Mainit daw.
So hot.
Nakakasira daw ng beauty ang init. Pero hindi naman. Maganda pa rin. Charot lang.
I don't want my skin to burn because when I go to the Philippines, I look very so
itim.
itim.
Don't mind your itim-itim. The important is you have a lot of money when you're going home in the Philippines. So guys, yan lang po. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo lagi. Peace bomb.